Guys, we are back playing some Watch Dogs 2. Drop that like, drop that follow, subscribe. I need all the support I can get, guys. Oh, fuck. Open says B.
And Graystrom's little experiment has failed, courtesy of DedSec.
Probably have enough to go to a car dealer.
Tell me you fucked up their hardware?
I left an expensive little present in their system, and they're going to pay for it.
Damn! You sound like Jimmy Siska!
Hell yeah! Hey.
Let's see.
You won't find what I've got anywhere else.
We'll see about that.
We've got a lead coming in from one of our followers. Check it out.
Damn, think it's true?
I'm not finding any news stories about him, but his profile does show he worked for Graystrom, if he's legit. Marcus, we can't have people afraid to blow whistles. DedSec Sec thrives when people tell the truth.
He's claiming they tried to sabotage his marriage, even froze his assets. I'm gonna check out his house, see if there's any truth to his claims.
You should probably pay his bank a visit too. See if Graystrom ever contacted them.
Rock the bridge. K66 has rock the bridge!
Darling, it's too late for a phone call. I don't wanna wake you. I just let it ring twice. And it's too late for me to come over. I get in the car, but I never drive. Well, your new man, he's nothing like me. Cast a wicked spell, angel come running to me.
Hey guys! Can you get over here and deal with the weirdo?
Dispatch, there's a round of all suspected arsonists turned up on CTOS near your location. Engage when ready. Over.
Lawnmower? What are you doing? Come on, bro. That's not gonna hurt. Don't let him pick me up, I lose. Hey,
Tell me.
reloading.
Hold up.
Cover me.
What the fuck?
Hi? Get lost, Grip Kitty!
Looks like the Brafa shoe deal may have gone south.
Dead end?
Maybe not. I'm not giving up on this one yet. I got an itch.
Just don't get yourself killed trying to scratch it.
Digger, DMV. We are all just one bad day away from the Lord of the Flies. This is Kurt, your truth teller, reminding you that evil is what happens when you don't show up.
missed the deal. There's nobody here.
Maybe there never was a deal.
No, it looks like something bad went down. This is a crime scene. I'm gonna look closer.
Move on. Oops. Get. I didn't do anything.
I'm actually really confused.
Gotta keep it calm.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Listen, Aiden Pierce is coming your way.
Yeah, they think
Psycho's
they're ready
falling
to
friends
figure
out of
out.
Quinn's fuck up in Chicago. You need to get the fuck out of there right now. Check your GPS. Meet us there. We're gonna try to trap him. Hope you got this in time.
Holy shit, people.
What?
This is Aiden Pierce's work.
What are you talking about?
I found bodies, shoes, and Brodford. Aiden Pierce is taking them down, and I'm in the middle of it.
The Chicago vigilante?
That's him. He's heading into a trap. Gotta help him.
This is it.
I get lifted. I get lifted. I will reap your eyeball and stab him down your throat. This one's dedicated to all the hackers. Even out, settle scores quick. Our disaster recovery requires even more discs. Put your lights up, prove it or you 44, and we blew it into orbit. And bison with 8 straight perfects. Overload emotions make hate break circuits. In case you heard, it's a name fake service. Optimize our runtime to escape verdicts. Got an integer scope flow that they can't sign. Passing code, didn't sanitize command lines, landmine. So before they'll see me after, I'm advice star, courage, wolf plus velociraptor. Don't prove we're human unless we really have to. My team builds schemes and destroy, recapture. Hate what they see. Finish this chapter. By the way, we're not any geeks, we hack into NASA. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Got this vodka and this Red Bull, they still give me wings, so we drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. 0 through 3, we're in every single ring. I'm just waiting till my BlackBerry dies, cause I'll replace it with the Raspberry Pi. Don't compare to this track, it makes everything they said dull. Neutralize any threat, turn Red Skull to Dev Null. They killed virus writers that we mentioned, but instead they ascended to the VX heavens that reincarnate as live wires. Still inside we hide ciphers and sign device drivers. Which school will we hit next? They didn't learn the format, so we've got to print F. Next step is a chin check. Freestyles that I spit best, they didn't decrypt yet. I crush internet MCs and rhyme battles. Get your Wi-Fi tackled, hacked by pineapple. I don't think you'll like my Snapple, cause I popped it with vodka in a cyanide capsule. We drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Got this vodka and this Red Bull, they still give me wings, so we drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. 0 through 3, we're in every single ring. First we drink all the booze, then hack all the things. Then backdoor the firmware on anything you bring, regardless of the hardware, service or encoding. Connected to the internet and someone's gonna own it. This is for the pirates that clap and love the sound. Attacking from the cloud, then we're back in underground. There's no masking from us now. We pop tornadoes around the globe, track and hunt you down. Hacked on schedule, add it to your calendar. Devices online, here comes another challenger. State infiltrated, so undercover. This is for my comrades who stare at the debuggers and trace every buffer. Examining the code flow, haven't been to sleep, better pop another no-dose. I think I'll need a planet-sized urn, cause some men just wanna watch the world burn. Your turn. Drink all the booze things. Drink all the booze. Hack all the things. Drink all the booze. Hack all the things. Got this vodka and this Red Bull, they still give me wings, so we drink all the booze. Hack all the things. Drink all the booze. Hack all the things. Drink all the booze. Hack all the things. 0 through 3, we're in every single ring. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Hack all the things. Hack all the things. Things. 0 through 3, we're in every single ring. Hack all the things.
Bunches and bunches, punches is thrown into your frontlets. Oodles and noodles, bang bullets at suckers' noodles. Last album voodoo, prove that we was fucking brutal. I'm talking crazy, half past the clock's cuckoo. You rappers doodle, baby shit, just basic boo-boo. I'm talking voodoo, man salute, my money boo-boo. My beats are banging, fuck what you rapping, who produced you? I slap the slap, take what you got and run your juice you.
You itsy bitsy, furry, frightened, and freaking sickly. A little prickly, dick on display for winter swimming. Look at these dealing dirty work, do the deed in the dash. Digital, I'll let a hammer that's stuck in a fist and compass and shit. We run a brand where the structure's the #1 commitment. It's all a joke between mom contractions and coffin fitted. So we disappear in the smoke like we're fucking magicians.
No hocus pocus, you simple suckers deserve to know. Top of the morning, my fist to your face is fucking bulges.
We might be giants standing on little candy shoulders.
You purple pussy, proverbial pansy pantyhose. I chase a snake up, DDT him in mausoleum. Macabre massacres, killing guns in the Coliseum.
They all actors, giving top and back of the beam. I fall back if the casting calls an ending in semen. I'm the foulest, no need for any evaluations. I'm a foulest for Johnson and Jimmy spraying faces. Encounter the sacred will get the facing. Like any time a murder gets replacing. Face it, the fellows at the top are likely rapists. But it's like mellow out, man, just relax. It's really not that complicated. We're part of this listen, just to say this to explain it. Or maybe sanctifying the sadistic is deranging.
This one to choose it. Murder making melodic music. Psychotic music. The blues up you simply abuse it. That's worth the filler. See more Hoffman, I'm pushing coffin. I probably smell like a pound when they put me in a coffin. The gates of hell, I'm pugnaciously pacing, waiting. I give a fuck if I'm late. Tell Satan be patient. But I ain't here to do things. I'm just taking vacations. And tell them fuck them. I never loved them in salutations.
What the fuck? Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. We will be back shortly. This was kind of a fucked up video. I was just kind of fucking around, but give me a like, give me a follow, and please subscribe to my content. Deuces.